Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Yeah. I know. Today festive. You know, guys, everyone is out. Most people there. You know, holiday. You know, so you know the thing up already. You know, joke man. Apple tree, yes, there. Look, boy, the man read it, man. You can't say less radius, you know.
Yeah.
Apple done now. Apple done. Yes. See, I'll stick there. Apple done. So guys, so welcome. Well. So yeah man, so guys, so we have some donation, you know, to give to Cranberry family, you know, for that to help complete the stuff them that we need, so it can help finish off this project as well too, you know. As you can see, I'm alone, so I'm trying my best, taking time, you know. One step at a time to try to finish off what he's doing. At the first we come here on a day like this and the music now play.
I'm proud there though.
Boom, a premier there, man. Place lock up, man. Boom is not here, man.
But then one man have been back. Can you see now? All the people are around now. Yan mo ba doon dito?
Over there, son. The river comes down one day and wash down some of that. Yeah. Boom there, man. And shut that open. You're probably not playing nothing today. Double, man. Oh, it's a boomer there, man. Boomer! I'm here. Family there. River calm down, no. Paper side, no. River. Easy well step cross. No. No clean it. Cause listen to people up at the next side of yourself. The water will come down here, sir. People on the next side. Right. 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 Yeah, so yeah, attack now. Well, can I get dog food already? No. Like you want to say, you get the dog food. Yeah. Like you might try, say, you get nothing. You get anything? Yeah, I go see what going up there. You have to be Whoa, stop the saying about now. Whoa, yeah. Eh? Yeah. Well, the place look like no rain never fall. Yeah. Yeah.
Cranberry.
Thing on. What? Alright, finally shop open. Ah, banal. Oh no. Finally shop open. Yeah. A big load of Jackson.
You sorry if I wait in the shit, right now, don't lick in your face, you know. Yeah, boy.
Joke.
Watch that, you know.
It's true. Why you out with cat and it's not your cat?
What?
Hmm?
It's my cat.
Yeah.
No.
Go and call Liquor Man and Liquor Miss for me, please.
My master them cat.
Okay.
No, Jerry should be a touch.
Tell them say clean now.
Yeah.
Are you one got the most clean or everybody come?
Can I can come if them can come?
Please.
But you just today here.
Alright, we are going to call him for you. That is
Him
it.
and him sister.
Mom put them say you call him.
Yeah, to have something for them too.
That is my miss you.
Miss me. Are you miss giving trouble?
No? When I got my mother ask me why I'm quiet. I need to know her back. You see you come see me her back.
You're not supposed to.
No.
You're not supposed to at all.
You're flex, so don't say you're flex, Nana. Alright.
Nana, Dad.
Oh, Nana.
So Nana, yeah.
I see me and use a car, Nana.
How you call Nana?
Look one.
Tara.
Tara.
That's Tara. Tell me that's Tara.
Tara.
This is Nana.
Tara.
Yeah, Nana. I have Tara.
Don't
Must
say
soon
I
come
need
to him.
Tara.
They go and call him.
Yes, Daddy.
Charge in the year.
You know, saying just on the way you see from Sunday, he might name there. And the macadam down there, so
Yeah.
in him finger and he end up that pull the board and end up licking for him finger. But this is said so him end up over you see.
Oh,
But them have a slit it
yeah. Take it out.
to take out the maca itself.
Macafat.
But down there
Yeah.
bottom.
That tree is dangerous. Once it go in your skin, that is it. How I go feed the cat? You must only get the cat half for that, yeah?
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
And then we put the next
Put on its half.
The links of the knife.
But the cat belly look full already. Tara,
nobody give him no more.
nobody give the cat no more.
I'm supposed to give him look at this morning.
Miss Toker, put on your top.
Come on, put on.
The jackfruit up there?
That's what looks like a pig.
It pig.
And then I call it pig, then tamper with the tree, you know.
Let me say if it pig.
Yeah, can we count them now?
Yeah, I count about 14.
Count them.
Guys, I'm 14 I count though.
You got now?
Yeah.
Every size, big one, them cut down.
Let me say if it up here.
Up there, top.
Yeah.
What do you do? What is this?
It looks a scanty. Like the people just...
So that, what is it today?
I will count them now. I told you count them. I said anybody pick we're gonna know.
I'm gonna count them back. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Hey, there, man.
And a big one there.
Ah, that big one there. In the check.
Remember the one I said the right time I said now put him right there on the pick.
Oh,
Yeah, that's it.
yeah, that pig.
Yeah.
See it there?
That in there.
Yeah.
And some now put more funny.
I'll pick that one there. Nana. Nana, you don't know. Nana,
no, pick it.
Nana, who picked that one? Tell me. Tell me, Nana, tell me. You not tell nobody. Eh?
Them pick one
It
man.
pick.
The one that hang up on this one.
Yeah.
That's the pick time. Say no, I'm not putting
Chunks, you have to check that big one there. Yeah.
He go walk with the climber.
What happened? What happened? Eh?
You say I go
Yeah.
you say I go Watch it. Stop walking.
Wow.
Lick it out there. You can't see us.
Yeah. Chunks, check where I go on. Nana, tell me who pick it. Tell me in my ears, nobody now here.
Tell me who pick it. I'm not talking to you. Who pick it?
Tara. Who pick it, Tara?
Tell me now.
Tara, when I bring her back a Devon now.
Chunks of that big one, yeah.
See the one right there, Chung? The one that rests on the tree there. Yeah. You see? I know, man, me hear the panic from my come.
Whole lot. That ready?
Yeah, from come eye.
Watch it.
From come eye the panic.
Soft.
Yeah, and it starts.
I tell you, I smell it, man.
I don't want to hear that smell.
Yeah.
Smell job too.
From come eye the panic, I say no, man.
So come say I. So come say I. And that big one, the more you check over your head, Chunks.
One pick more.
Yeah. The one that was on the limb.
You said the one where they are.
No, man, you see the one who just pick off a while ago? One of the one at the edge. And him never there pick him, say him not go for him not put him weight on it. You see him there?
You ready yet? Oh, you're ready, yeah.
No, that's a woman.
At least we get one already. That ready?
Every time she's come one ready.
Yeah. Watch him greet me with high five. Hey! Yeah. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? High five. How you doing? You cool? Yeah. How was the food? Like the food? You want a bath? Right? Yes? High five. Wee. Hey. Good girl. Guys, P high five. She want high five. No, you know. High five. Well done. High five. You okay? How you doing? You okay? Later, okay? Later, yeah? Later. High five. Nice. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Well, today is a new day.
Ready?
I forgot add up the dog there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kill him, man.
You can be a with another max.
Woman dog.
Yeah, you should have breed the place. Yeah. Should have breed, cause I think she have breed already. You know. Where? I eat a smell, man.
That smell. Inside. Oh.
Look up.
That one is sir. That look one is sir. What? Yeah. Where? See it in us, sir. I look be anyone like.
In a bush.
No. I bush. That don't look right. Why we can't ride, you know? Oh.
This?
Yeah, yeah. Oh.
No. Tough.
Yeah, man. Should be kind of. Alright, tough.
Look on it.
Tough.
But I want the smell ready.
You can smell it. Like it right, man. Ready, man. Drop in, drop none. Drop in, drop off everything, you know. I want to drop off, you know.
Yeah.
Stay now. Me alone can't carry two of them. No one can want two. No one can stay.
There's the truth of the work you have done. Yeah. Yeah.
No, man.
Oh.
Come here. Come down here.
Chris?
No, man, the man that quickly get the top out.
Oh.
But the next day, the same picking, he never did want to.
I throw it in right there. Look here. I see when the man pick it. Look, that's him. Don't know why I write it. And I hide it. I'm checking it. I never know. So I can tell you. I'm born. No.
Yeah, because them do what they pick.
That one there though.
Pick and put it down.
Like it never right.
Yeah.
Fine. Evening.
See them cozy there.
Wait, can smell jackfruit now, you know, I'm not lying. We can smell jackfruit. Smell
Next
good.
week when the mango is soon ready, yeah? I'm close to that. Satellite.
Oh. Alright. Little man is here, little miss is here, Cranberry is here, Toko is here, where's I is here, Nana is here, where's Tara? Tara is here?
Yes.
Tara? Is Tara here? Tara there? Tara, you want money to buy ice cream? Want juice? Alright, come, you give money to buy juice, come.
Can I give money for my juice? One finger?
Come. Come with that, Kenisha. Esther,
We'll get a bag already.
bring the bag, come there. Yeah.
That's your man.
Alright, wanna stay. Yeah, that's so. Ice cream. What wanna say? Ice cream? Ice cream. You ice cream too. Is Toko here?
Ice cream.
We have money for Toko, you know. Toko, what you gonna do with your money?
Buy ice cream. Ice cream.
Seriously? You know, buy cat food?
Yeah.
What you gonna do with your money?
Fancy. I eat that one.
Easter bun? Okay. What you gonna do with yours? You want to see it for you? Look at me, we are doing your one.
But buy a saving
You
pan
know?
and save. Mother for save.
Cranberry, we are doing your money.
Buy saving pan and save.
Tara, what you doing with your money? Eh?
I'm eating my money.
What you doing with your money?
My
Tara?
money now in daddy's pocket.
She not, yeah, put in a pocket.
Yeah.
Tara buy juice. Alright guys, so
Buy juice.
we have some donation here for the kids them.
Biscuit.
As I said, the kids, our kids them is getting more and more. we have more kids here.
Yeah, man.
Plus Toko have her child now, the cat Loco, which is Loco. The cat named Loco. So you have Toko, the cat named Loco. Right? Toko and Loco. So we give thanks to Amina the other day to buy cat food for the cats. So, you ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Alright then. Let me see what I go on first. Let's see what I give first. Alright.
My daddy buy big bicycle.
Yeah, but daddy buy a big bicycle. Alright, so we have some donation here from CH from the USA. CH, which is CH said I must give so Nana. We got $3,000 here for Nana from CH from the USA. So
Thank you,
CH. Yeah. So we have $3,000 here for you from CH.
Thank you from the USA.
And what else?
I make a food basket never empty.
Hey, give her a round of applause. Clap her, clap Toko. Yeah. And we have Tara. We have $3,000 for Tara. Come Tara. Come Tara. Come.
I'm going to tell her.
Yeah, Tara. So you're gonna tell CH thank you, okay? $3,000.
Say it loud.
Tara, what you gonna buy, Tara? And we have Liquorman, $3,000 here for Liquorman from CH.
Thank you, CH. Thank you, CH from the USA and make your food basket never empty.
Okay. And we have another 3,000 here for Liquor Miss from CH.
Thank you, CH, for the 3,000 from USA. May God bless you.
And we have Cranberry here. We have 4,500 for Cranberry from CH.
Thank you, CH. Thank you very much. And God bless you.
Alright. So everyone, we're gonna say thank you CH after 3, okay? You ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, CH.
Alright, so we give thanks to CH from the USA for the donation for the kids then. Right, so alright then, so Ken?
Yes?
So you just sent me already the invoice already, right? So me already sent it to the person. So they already sent something towards the airport, right? So we have Muriel as well to Muriel King. We have $15,000 a year from Muriel King to airport buying the rest of the
Rural King, thank you so much, and never make your food basket empty.
Okay, so let me say, the guys would have an invoice, you know. Let me get the invoice so we can show them. So I did get an invoice from Kenisha, you know, because Stone Chronicles, you know, they asked for the invoice for what the dad gonna need to finish off this project, you know, so it's gonna help out getting some stuff, you know. So this is the invoice that they get from Lumber Depot right here. So the total was about $133,556, you know, not to get so the tile would have been 11 boxes of tile, you know, door wedge, the metal one them, so the solid takes, so this will get the rest of the stuff them, and the cement, you know, will complete off everything. So we have Stone, you know, we have Stone, Windstone Chronicles here from the USA. You know, he was the one that helped out and sent some donation, you know, would link us up with Junior Lifestyle. So his name is Winstone Chronicles. I would thank him so much for reaching out. So him saying something as well to help out, you know, to get the rest of the stuff then, because I already give charges some money already the other day, right? So him be putting the order for anything yet? Eh?
Tomorrow for the other lot.
Okay. So this is what him they go buy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so the cement, they putting that for the cement as well.
Yeah,
And the paint. So so them pay for the cement, the tin set. You probably need more tin set than that still, but that's buy where you can buy. And the paint and such. So here. So the tin, much cement. Cement.
And the nails.
How much cement do you buy?
6.
6. Okay. Oh yeah, 6 bags of cement. Okay, so buy with what the donation that we got already, you know. So with this now from Winstone Chronicles, you know, this can also go far away. Which is a donation of this is 52,500. Yeah, so we have 52,500 from Stones Chronicle, which is Winstone's Chronicle. You know, thank him so much. I'm say guys, Winstone Chronicles also have a YouTube channel, and you can check him out. I'll also put the link in the description, you know, where you can check out Winstone's Chronicles. You know, so this is 52,500. So count it says 52,500. So I'm gonna make sure count it. So we give thanks to Winstone's Chronicles. So big up yourself in general, and thank you again for reaching out. You know, it's nothing but love and love alone. So count.
No, it's my cousin.
So it's 52,500, right?
Hey, Winstone Chronicle, thank you so much. I'm going to check out the page.
Yeah.
I'm an artist too. But you can subscribe to my TikTok. Thank you so much, and never make your food basket go empty.
Yes, so we give thanks. Mural King also as well for the donation. I will also give thanks to CH, you know, Winstone. We thank you so much for helping Cranberry and the family, you know. So you know the blessings continue and the journey will always continue. So far I can see the dad close off the roofing of the kitchen, you know, as you can see. You know, same have the window for going and everything else, and the door and all of that. So we give thanks for the blessings keep coming in, you know, because we're looking forward to see this finish off. Right? So okay, on rich today, right? Everyone $3,000 richer. Right?
A piece though. And tell the girl I can't remember nothing at all.
Yeah. Yeah.
So watch her, and she said, you tell her about the Cranberry, and she asked your number. What you say?
Yeah. So you can tell her about I. So so listen, so you have Cheers. One name is Cheers. Say hello Cheers. Yeah. One name Classic. Say hello Classic. Yeah. You have Mika. Alright, guys, you're not deaf me. And you have Kelsey.
Hello, Kelsey.
Classic. Mika. And Cheers. But there's more them names, but I don't remember those names. There's so many
just tell them I. Hi, my friend. I miss you. I want you to meet me at Jamaica.
At Jamaica, them there. Trench to them there.
Just at me attack.
Where you attack? You there, Jamaica, miss.
What's that?
Alright then, so no take care, okay?
Bye.
So bye bye. So make sure to save the money and do the right thing.
Bye bye.
Okay?
Bye, Kimo. Bye, Kimo. Next year, safe journey.
Tara, bye bye, Tara. Tara.
Happy New Friday.
Hey, stop. Hold on upon that man and pop down. Kenisha later.
Alright, safe journey.
Yeah, man.
Bye bye.
So later to all.
Yeah, we had enough real.
Oh, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.
Here to Tara, but I forgive her my money. She give me fair money and tell me some forgive her my money for buy juice.
Yeah. Tara, give me your money, Tara.
Bye.
Turn going down.
Alright.
Bye, kids. Watch that,
Balance. Yeah. Guys, imagine rain fall, yeah? And the way the place dry up like no rain never fall. The place dry so quick. Yeah, are you with the shop too? You with the shop. First, you see this house here. Yeah. No, I just go all the way up, so you know. It's a walk where you can walk all the way up. A pair house go all the way up. Boy, the jackfruit that smell good in that bag there, boy. All I can smell is jackfruit. Oh, chef, relaxing. Oh, chef, well relaxing. Oh, bring it up. How about I bring it up? Yes, sir, Boma. Boomerang. The family there. There, man. Eh?
So we kind of out of the river now, but we're present in the river right now. Because we're the most deep, you know. The lover, yeah, love brother. The brother, you know.
General.
Yeah, this, you know.
Like you never hear the voice.
I know I'm safe from here, come across, but you go so.
Go up, so yeah. Holiday there today.
Yeah,
it's quiet.
No.
At the first, man.
You know, some forward this morning. I'm back to play good.
Yeah.
I'm back to cut off. I'm tell my brother to watch it now. You know, say everything works here. I miss.
Yeah.
I'm not going to put that for me. I'm not trying to fix it today. You know, say this the play today.
It never did to play today.
No, you see not a mix.
Yeah.
Conscious of yourself, man.
True.
What only come around for? For the music in our trance.
Yeah.
Everybody start drinking in our trance. Focus and conscious on yourself. Conscious on yourself.
Alright, just wait, man. True. Yeah.
Come on, school. If you want to learn.
Come on, school.
Yo, we don't call you student, you know?
Yeah, we can see. It's a chillax day, you know. Today you're at the river. So, Boma,
You want redemption?
a movement, you know.
Thanks for your life.
Yeah, man.
Or Rosa move.
And a Rosa. That's a Rasta Jackson. Rasta Jackson.
Ask him all my move, son.
Jackson. Rasta say, oh yeah, move, so. Rasta say, oh next Rasta move, so.
Come in, not tired doing a movement.
Yeah.
Come on, school. Not tired doing a
Rasta say, oh the Rasta move, so.
I like very panoki, no?
Yeah, man, you know me always a record.
And the people, come and meet the people on time.
Yeah.
Alright, people. Thanks again. Once. I will not talk about holiday. Every day our day.
Of course.
I will talk about presentation today and the presentation at our time. And I dismiss. And listen now, King of Days is here now. And he come to see the place active, but watch out now people. This is how we live life.
Yeah.
And what we look for, I work forward to you.
Yes.
And the biggest thing that, it's a normal to you aspect where you plant a tree, it is very normal.
True.
And it's like a bear of fruit where it's abundant. But we not the patient to watch it bear.
True.
Who no want to give fertilizer all for something. So listen people, I wheat seed again. In the Mama River Paradise again.
One wheat seed, you know?
With the King of Blaze.
Yeah.
Cause it have a blaze, I mean put on a blaze on him name.
Yeah.
Cause him can't come around last time now blaze. And I'm not going to differentiate a water with a fire. Because the most powerful element in the earth are water. It's not fire, people. The fire inside the house.
True.
So manifest outside.
True.
Right? So the water the most powerful element in the earth. If it's forward right now, the fire can't cool it. So check it again.
Yeah.
I love again people.
Aye.
And people watch how we look and watch how we steer. Check how inside your inside steer. Because you come like whatever you are doing. Where you forward from? You're inside.
Yes.
So you laugh outside and you're deep inside. Sure. So whatever Rastafari manifests, it's inside. It forward from inside first before it manifests outside. And it forward off of eye tongue. It is manifest from inside first. I'm going to live by whatever I'm say. I'm going to need nobody to love me or rate me or give me no props. But bond that. Yeah, Rastafari love. And there's a family moment, so we love. Life blessing. Yes. And we teach that to the Almighty and each and every one of us. We're younger than us. Yeah, people? And it all come from the history, not mystery and story.
Yeah.
There's something they can rub out and write again. But the history, how we have to live. So that Rastafari live by.
Memories, yeah.
Live it. No, not memories, you know. The memories far from our history. So if you don't do the right thing, you have no memories. If you say, Kino youth, we been come around, Mama River the Paradise, and know the Rasta youth and them followers.
Yeah.
Not followers either, equal rights and justice. Equal youth them. And no never film presentation, we know none of this. So watch it now. Just give thanks to film presentation to know whatever Kino carry that camera. Because when I watch the camera down likes and likes.
Yeah.
Me no love none for funny things, so I have a page already for myself. I no love likes. I love none for my thing for likes. But if you love.
Sure.
Yeah, I love. So if you don't love worthy, we're not going to do it. Yeah. Take a piece of my people around me. Yes, King. Take me look a queen them in it. Yeah, I'm singing them in it. I love. We accept that, man.
Yeah, man.
People don't want to know more until they come find out.
True.
History is a thing we need to search for. It's already I know. I want to get lost, so we need to search for it to know what we want. No.
Yeah.
See that? Love come to you and you say you not have money, I'm not nothing. I not accept it. Find the hard way then, man. So when people don't want to show you who them is, come search for it. If you want to learn. Just if you want to learn, because teacher, you know, teacher is just like this now. If you want to learn nice class, them will make you learn. But if you don't want to learn, them not look for you. So that with we now, in another aspect of living here. If you don't want to learn, we not fight you. You go where you want to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the right. And I love alone. Love people, yeah. The offspring them.
One boomer. I love alone.
2 and 3.
That is it.
Yeah, keep
More
keep it away there. That's the right thing to do.
Yeah. Blessings. They make a chat along, you know, anything go. More strength.
Again here.
Yeah, man, that's how
Tell
we push,
people
man.
about wheat seed again. I should say a wheat seed.
Yeah.
After my name I give about, we live by any name.
Yeah,
no
so he's a man of many names. You know, a life himself. So I'm full of pure name. Yeah, I'm living. Yes, sir. Puma.
What's wrong with them, man?
Yeah, man. Firm, man, sure. I mean, whoa, you know. He is very generous. Evening. Movements of job people.
Puma!
Puma!
Why?
Puma say you're the Rasta Musa.
Puma! Yeah, you see?
Nah, yeah, man.
Yeah, shoot him, man. No?
Swear, man, strong.
Five of them. All of them gone start a while ago.
Ice cream them gone by, man. Yeah, for that direction there. Yeah, man.
Yeah, nice, nice.
Tina, darling.
Oh, go on.
I'm here, my baby. I'm here.
Hey, come in the river.
Yeah, because what people have heard about round them up just a come.
Hey, well, run there, sir.
Yeah, run up, what do you call that? Calling.
On the river, see me?
Yeah, go round, yeah.
Okay. Alright, then, so we never know party are going around there. You hear that whole party are going on the other side. So it's a river party. A big thing.
Probably, I don't know, I don't know party.
Alright then. Yeah. Huh? Somebody keep a party around there.
One side one fix up.
Wow, all I can smell is jackfruit. All I can smell is jackfruit. Yeah. Oh yeah, the charge? Oh, the charge for seed? No, not a little pick man. Not a little pick man, just dry out. Watch out, watch out. Watch your stick here, son.
Yeah, see?
A stick there, sir, already. Then work the tree, man. Nothing. Then work the tree, man. Then work the tree, man.
No wonder that.
And the bus up, chum.
Bus up. Wanna go there? You can't go and talk one of you. You want to see what the hell we are eating? No, I think I bread. I'm going to jump on board.
At least I get something, yeah. At least. At least.
Inside here.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.